You know, I don't waste pillow covers. Alright, well, I am up. I just finished editing yesterday's video, and I'm probably gonna go run. Well, I am gonna go run right now. I'm gonna do that, and I'll see y'all when I get out.
What did I say?
Say hi.
Hi.
I just got done running, and I'm wicked sweaty and gross.
That's alright.
Here's hopefully a new subscriber.
Yeah.
Chris Symington.
What's up?
It's called Flipping H-Town.
Flipping H-Town? Like Flipping H-Town?
Like, no, like, it's a flip camera.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, okay.
Well, I'm out of the gym. Well, I'm out of the gym, and I just got out of the shower. Sarah's gonna come over in a bit. I guess I'll see what we do. You're doing absolutely nothing. She's being a lazy bum. Look at her being lazy. Be lazy to the camera.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Show them all your embarrassing pillows if you don't stop.
I already have lots. I'll tell them I have a Power Rangers pillow, an Aladdin pillow, a Mickey Mouse pillow, race cars. Is that it? You know, I don't waste pillow covers.
So what are you gonna want to eat?
Food.
How come no one left us in the comment section below when we had this dispute last time?
Yeah, none of y'all helped us. Yeah, don't care. You, right there. You the one sitting there watching. Pull out your keyboard, roll it out, type some suggestions in. Or on your phone, Josh. If you can pull it up, even though I know you can, even though you tell me you can't. Does that make sense?
Yes.
My camera. Give it to me.
Give me user. Look at this.
Camera.
People, look at how angry. Scary face.
Give my camera. Camera. Well, that's not like Sean Connery when I say camera. Camera. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give me my camera. Ow! I got a gym bag up the butt.
I wish it was your keys.
No. My key's not a move.
Sunder in the sun, watch it run right across the sky.
So what are we getting? Cookie dough?
Yeah, are you recording?
Yes. The little red lights on. I don't know where the cookies are.
No, you shouldn't.
I do shop here, but I don't shop here for cookies.
What you would think as you're looking for other things, you would stumble upon cookies once in a while.
Not like baking cookies, that takes work. I just buy cookies that are already made.
What kind you want?
I don't know. This one, I like this one because it says break and bake.
That's the Kroger brand. Yes.
Fast? Chocolate chip cookie is a chocolate chip cookie. It's freaking sweet outside. I love when it's raining. I love the rain. It's like the Rainforest Cafe, but louder. Someone playing basketball in the rain? They sure are. Can you hear them? I can see them moving around back there. She just went out in the rain. Sure it does. I don't want to be in the wetness. It's impressive. That's hardcore. I would hop over there and play, but I'm all pooped. I'm pretty dang hungry.
I'm pretty dang wet.
You've changed your shirt.
Yes.
Cookies are ready. Hot.
Maybe they didn't cook long enough.
They could.
Don't touch.
Just touch every single one. Oh, they're filled, that's why.
Yes.
Ah, I understand why you're so soft, you. Well, Sarah left. I'm going to sleep. We didn't do much today. Lazy day because of the rain. I think it's still raining. Yep. I'm watching The Karate Kid right now. A little wax on, wax off. I'm gonna go to sleep. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Galveston day with the Lancer and the Lancer group, so that should be fun. Later. Blah, blah.
Remix.
Ah, ah, ah.